Alright, and now, this is the moment we're waiting for. Everybody clap your hands together. Mommy, Mama, Daddy John, together, the birthday boy, Max! Woo! Ay, kita ko sa iyo, Max. Picture! Alright, and now, please, remaining stand. Tayo lang po tayong lahat. Parang may yung kanta. Happy birthday! Isa kayo mas malakas at yung nakasan natin yung clap. Ready, go! Happy birthday! And everybody shout, say, Happy birthday, Max! Isa pa po yung mas malakas. Happy birthday, Max! Yung pinakamalakas. Yung pinakamahina. Okay, palakpakan natin si Max. And Max, before you blow your candle, close your eyes. And then mag-wish ka muna sa sarili mo. Close your eyes, Max. Then make a wish. Sana sa paglaki mo, malaki ka na. Yung siya na tinatupad yung... Okay, ready, Max? Magkakal kami ng 1, 2, 3, then blow mo yung candle mo. Ready? 1, 2, 3.